Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open recovery mode on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to power off your phone by using power button and volume up button, click it in the same time and swipe down to power off. Now wait a couple of seconds and now you have to hold two buttons at the same time, power button and volume down button, and hold it for a couple of seconds. And when a OnePlus logo appears, release finger from the power button. So just only hold the volume down button, and as you can see, here is the selection of the language. It's very dark, so I don't know is it possible to catch on the camera, but I think yes. So you are in the recovery mode right now. So you can format data from here, reboot your device or power off. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.